Hi everyone, so this is going to be an update. I wanted to wait longer to show you an update on this Graptosedum, or was it Graptopetalum? It's been 9 days since I planted it here, and you can already see the color. It was so green. It's now got tinges of red and pink on it. Yeah, well, I'm gonna try and keep it here as long as possible to see the full change and hopefully give you an update, because as you can see, this is at the front door and I need to do up all this area. I need to fill in soil, and I was going to fill in soil here as well to elevate this area, but I'll see if I can protect it while I'm doing up the rest. I still got quite a bit to do before I get here, so I might be able to keep it for a few more days. So today's job is to take out those succulents and start filling in the soil that arrived. So I just wanted to do a quick update in case I accidentally, not accidentally, I just have enough of this sitting here and I pull it out, but I'm gonna try and keep it so you can see the full change of this succulent and how it becomes this beautiful peach. So that was 9 days in. I said 9 days in, and that's it. If I manage to keep it for a few more weeks, you'll get another update. Otherwise, this might be it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more things happening in my garden. Bye. Hello everyone. I think you can have bad audio today because I left my mic inside and just decided to record this. This is an update of that California Sunset that I was doing, and you can see the color has changed, but it's not as vibrant orange yet, so I don't know why it's doing that, but probably because I'm recording it. So that's that, and you can see it's changed color, but not as, it doesn't match it as yet, and it's 4 weeks now, but I thought I'll show you because that'll be the last update. And then I wanted to show you the same, excuse the noise here on the road, the same plant on this side, which I planted after. Look, this is so vibrant orange, it's that lovely peach. It's the same plant, so this one's changed its color faster, in a shorter amount of time than the one there that I was tracking to show you with. Oh, you can't see it, it's in the shadow there. But yeah, so in the sun, that's the color change, and that's the update for that California Sunset Graptopetalum, is it? And there's it there. So I'm gonna move it out now. That's why I have to do this last update 4 weeks later. Okay, that's it. Bye.